Hi friends, very important decoding questions, number series and letter series, number and analogy questions, coding decoding questions, and letter series, number series. Very important topic of the general intelligence and reasoning questions. Some sample model paper, solved model paper questions given. Compulsory, please thoroughly practice compulsory, and please put comments. Any understandable this question, please put comments, and like and subscribe all peoples, all friends, all families, and all students. Please compulsory subscribe. First of all, like and compulsory subscribe. Don't like another like, no problem, but compulsory subscribe. Please put compulsory comments, please. Very important. General intelligence reasoning for SSC, reasoning for SSC constable. Very important. Very important. So first question is, India is president and state is A mayor, B chief minister, C governor, D prime minister. This is the analogy question. This type is a analogy question. This type is analogy question. India is president. Explanation. According to the Indian constitution, a president is the head of the country. Similarly, governor is appointed as the head of the state. State mean ఒక స్టేట్ నిర్మించాలంటే గవర్నర్ కంపల్సరీ ఉండాలి. సో ఇండియాకి ప్రెసిడెంట్ ఎలాగనో ఆ విధంగా ఒక స్టేట్కి గవర్నర్ అంతే. సో గవర్నర్ కూడా అంతే. సో ఇఫ్ అకార్డింగ్ టు ద ఇండియన్ కాన్స్టిట్యూషన్, a president is the head of the country. Similarly, governor is appointed as the head of the state. So option C is correct answer. Next question is, so option C is correct answer. Option C is, that is equal to governor. India is president, state is governor. Next question. Question number 2. If L means multiplication, M means plus, N means minus, P means divided by, then what will be the value of 44M, 64N, 60P, 15L, 4? This is a very important question. Very important. This type of question will be given. This is the type 4 decoding section, type 4 model. This is the type 4 model. Type 4 coding decoding lo type 4 model. Very important. Present SSC and UPSC group 1, group 2, any RRB exams compulsory type 4 questions will be asking nowadays. Previous questions will be thoroughly checking, and compulsory this type of question will be given. Very important. This type of question very important, asking for SSC general, SSC GD constable compulsory. This model questions will be coming to every year. Model questions paper will be coming. So please listen carefully. Please listen carefully, ma. Please listen carefully. Okay. Follow the instruction. Okay. Or understand? Follow the instruction. Type 4 model. So this question will be solution as. This is the solution as is according to the given information. First, letters and meaning. So letters given, meaning given. L means multiplication, M means plus, N means minus, P means divided by. So given expression 44M, 64N, 60P and 50L4. That is the expression. After changing symbols, so instead of symbols, the meaning of instead of letters, so instead of meaning adding, so 44M, M instead of plus, 64 N instead of minus, divided by 15 into 4, that is equal 15 into 4. So 44 plus 64 minus 64 minus 60, that is equal 60. 64 minus 60, 44 plus 64. Are you understanding? 64 minus 60 divided 15 into 4. So 15 into 4, 4 1s are 4 15s are, no problem, 60, divided by 60. So 44 plus 64 minus 4 into 4. Are you understanding? So 44 plus 64 minus 16, that is 108 minus 16, that is equal to 92. So correct option is 92. So 92. So before question answer is equal to D. That is equal to answer is equal to D. So what will we, shall we go to next question, ma? So our understanding this type of question will be coming to every SSC constant. Another question, same question, same model. If A means plus, M means into, D means divided by, G means greater than, and L means less than, which of the following equation is logically correct? Which of the following equation is logically correct? Are understanding? So option 4 is equal to logically will be correct. So these are incorrect. These are logically incorrect. These are logically incorrect. This will be correct. So how? 4A means plus. A means plus 4A. 3 M means into. 4A plus 3 into M. Okay, I understand. Next 2 into L means less than. Next 4 D means divided by 2 into 6. So 2 divided by 2. So 4 plus 3 into 2, that is equal to 4 into 3 into 6 less than 2 into 6. Okay, I understand. 2 into 6. So therefore 10 less than 6 twos are 12. So 10 less than 12. 10 అనేది 12 కంటే తక్కువేనా? సో తక్కువ కాబట్టి ఆప్షన్ డి ఈజ్ కరెక్ట్. సో ఐ అండర్స్టాండ్. ఓకే, సో దిస్ క్వశ్చన్ విల్ బి సొల్యూషన్ యాజ్ బిల్. I will be clearly solution given below. So this is the solution, very very important. So step by step explanation. The correct option 4 is correct answer. Step by expression. This is the 4A. 4A means plus 3, M means multiplication 2, L means less than 4 divided by 2 into 6. So 4 plus 3 into 2, 6. 4 plus 6 less than 4 divided by 2 into 6. So 2 into 6. 2 into 6, 4 how? So 2 ones are, 2 twos are. So 2 into 6 now same. Are you understanding? So that is equal to 10 less than 12. So 10 less than 12. So 10 అనేది 12కి తక్కువ కాబట్టి సో కరెక్ట్. దిస్ ఈక్వేషన్ ఈజ్ కరెక్ట్. నెక్స్ట్ క్వశ్చన్ విల్ బి గో. సో ఫైండ్ ద సిమిలర్ అనాలజీ టు ద ఫాలోయింగ్. తహసీల్ అనేది డిస్టిక్. తహసీల్ మీన్స్ ఒక తహసీల్దారు, ఒక డిస్టిక్, ఒక తహసీల్దార్. ఆర్ అండర్స్టాండ్? సో స్టేట్ కంట్రీ ప్లస్ స్టేట్, రాష్ట్రము దేశం. అర్థమైందా? ఒక తహసీల్దారు ఒక జిల్లా, జిల్లా మీనింగ్ ఇచ్చేసినారు. ఓకే, అదే విధంగానే మెట్రోపాలిస్ కరెక్టా? సిటీ టౌన్. ఓకే, బ్లాక్ కాలనీ, జోన్ టౌన్. ఓకే, ప్రొవిన్స్ డిస్టిక్. ఓకే, తహసీల్ డిస్టిక్ అని పెట్టిన. ప్రొవిన్స్ అనేది డిస్టిక్లో ఉంటుంది. ఒక డిస్టిక్ ఒక తహసీల్ ఉంటుంది. ఓకే, పెట్టినాడు. ఒక ప్రొవిన్స్ అనేది డిస్టిక్. స్టేట్ కంట్రీ. ఉత్తరప్రదేశ్, మధ్యప్రదేశ్, ఢిల్లీ, హర్యానా. So answer is equal to, that is equal to C. So explanation, the problem statement contains 4 items in hierarchical system from lower to higher level. Lower level tahsil, higher level district, lower level state, higher level country. Country పెద్దదా, state పెద్దదా? Country పెద్దది. So tahsil అనేది lower level, district అనేది high level. So that is equal to, province is low level, district is high level, state is low level, country is high level. So this option is C. Option C is correct answer. Shall we go to next question? In a certain code, R is percentage, E is hash, D is at, and A is rectangle. How is dar written? How is dar written in that code? So dar అనే కోడ్ ఏ విధంగా వస్తుంది అది క్వశ్చన్ అడిగాను. దిస్ ఇస్ ద కోడింగ్ డీకోడింగ్ ప్రాబ్లమ్. వెరీ వెరీ ఇంపార్టెంట్. కోడింగ్ డీకోడింగ్ వెరీ వెరీ ఈజీ. 5 marks కంపల్సరీ in your hand. Compulsory in all exams, SSC compulsory. Coding decoding problems compulsory, 5 marks given. So reasoning very very easy questions. Reasoning and reasoning, decoding and calendar, number series, analogy compulsory. 5 to 7 marks we get. 5 to 7 marks compulsory get in examination. Okay, so are you follow this question? Okay, shall we go to 5th question? In a certain code, R is percentage, E is hash. So there, D means, so D means at symbol. Okay, so there, DARE. So given, so according to question, so given question, D means at and A means triangle symbol, R means percentage, E means hash. So these are the answer. Are you understanding? D means at symbol, at means at, delta, percentage, E means hash, at. So option 2. So option 2 is a correct answer. So dar written in that code is equal to option 2. So option 2 is correct answer. So correct answer is equal to option 2. Very very important. Next, shall we go to next question? So now question number 6 question. 121 is to 12. So this is the what relation? 121 is to 12 what relation? That how we'll find out? 25 is to the question mark. So what 12 is to 121. Okay, I understand. 121 is to 12. So 12 means 11 square. Okay, I understand. 11 square is to 12. 12 coming 11 plus 1. That is equal to 12. So 11 square plus 12. That is 11 square is equal to 120. 11 square is to 12. So 121 is to 12. Are you understanding? This is the logical relation. So solution is, the given statement follows the following relationship. 11 square is to 11 plus 1. Are you understanding? 11 square is to 11 plus 1. Next, 5 square is to 5 plus 1. This is the relation. So actual answer is equal to B. So answer is, the correct answer is equal to 6. Hence 6 is the correct answer. Shall we go to next question? In a certain code, 253 means books are cold. 546 means mom is old. 378 means buy good books. So what stands for R in that code? In given questions, R అనే కోడ్ ఏ విధంగా వస్తుంది అని అడిగినాడు. So are you understand? This type of question will be coding decoding questions. compulsory in your mind, in your hand, in your any exam, competition exam, 5 marks, 5 marks in your hand, compulsory. So 253, books are old, so books are so old. So books, this sentence, last sentence, books is available, same number, 253, 373. So 3 is equal to books. I understand, 3 is equal to book. Again, world is this is the world, this is the world, this is the world. 253 is books are old, so old book is equal to, are understanding, same, books is equal to 3, books is equal to 3, same 3, and world is equal to 5. This question is 5 is available, this sentence is 5 is available, this sentence is 5 is available, so that is world is equal to 5. Remaining R, so 5, 3, remaining 2, so 2 is so R is equal to 2. I understand question. So R is equal to 2. R is equal to 2. This is 5, R is equal to 2. So our understanding, so R is equal to 2. So option 1 is correct answer. Option 1 is correct answer. Very, very important. Option 1 is correct answer. Option 1 is correct answer. So for example, books is equal to 3. Books is equal to 3. Next, old. So old is equal to 5. So 5, 3, remaining 2. So this 2 is R. So R is equal to 2. So that is equal, option 1 is equal to correct answer. Option 1 is equal to correct answer. Okay, I understand. Shall we go to next question? 8th question. In a certain code language, goat is written as a 45 and quote is written as 41. How is boat written in that code language? So this question is very, very important. This type of question will be asking compulsory exam point. A is equal to B is equal to C is equal to D is equal to E is equal to 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Are you understanding? A, B, C, D, 5. Again, A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, F 6, G 7, H 8, I 9, J 10. Are you understanding? So this alphabetical series A to Z is equal to 1, 2, 3 series 1, 2, 3, 26. Z is equal to 26. T is equal to 20. Okay, O is equal to 15. Are you understanding? So this according to this alphabetical series number, alphabetical letters plus numbers, so added equal to this question will be forming the answer. So first question is goat, G-O-A-T. G means A, B, C, D, E, F, G. G means 7 plus O means 15 plus you compulsory by heart A1, B2, C3, D4, E5, F6, G7, H8, I9, J10, K11, M12, N 13, O 15. Okay, are you understanding? So G O 15 A 1 plus T 20, that is equal to 43 plus 2 added, so 45. Actually 45. GOAT is written code is 45. Are you understanding? So same rule, according to same rule, okay, according to same rule in given and written in as the boat code. How will find out boat code? Okay, are you understanding? So boat code BOAT. B means 2 plus O means 15 plus A means 1 plus 20. 20 plus 1, 15, 16, 17, 18. 18 plus 20, that is equal to 38. So given question plus 2 add. So according to given question, GOAT code is 45. So 43 plus 2, 45. Again into boat is equal 38. 38 plus 2, so that is equal 40. So option A is equal to correct answer. Option A is equal to correct answer. Are you understanding? So option A is equal to answer is equal to A 40. So correct answer. So alphabetical series, A letter 1, B 2, C 3, D 4. So this according to both, B is equal to 2 plus O 15, A 1, all added, numbers are added. T means 20, T 20, T means 20, that is equal to 38 plus 2, that is equal to 40. Are you understanding? Okay, so E N EJN agent means, are understanding? Logically, how to remember the alphabetical series? So E means 5, J means 10, N means 15, T means 20, Y means 25. I understand. Agent. So agent is understand. Agent. Okay, I understand. Agent. Agent. See agent. See agent means E 5, 10, 15, T 20, Y 25. So this type of, please remember in your mind. Okay, coding, decoding, very very important. 5 marks in your mind, compulsory 5 marks. Okay, coding, decoding, very very important reasoning questions. Shall we go to next question? So banking is coded as LMJROMP. Then how will king be coded? Banking, banking is coded as LMJRYMP. Okay, banking. Banking lo king undi. Are understanding? Banking is the available of king. Are understand? King means last letter ROMP. So this type of logical will be asking a compulsory checking ROMP. So available. So banking is coded as a LMJROMP. Then how will king be coded as? Okay, are understanding? Are understanding? So banking is coded as LMJRO. So how will be king coded as? So king means ROMP. So option D is the correct answer. Option D is equal to correct answer. BNKNG coded as LMJROMP. That is king is equal to RYMP. Shall we go to next question? So in a certain code language 123 means bright little boy, 143 means tall big boy, and 637 means beautiful little flower. Which digit in that language means bright? So bright asking. In the same repeat bright. So bright little boy, tall big boy means beautiful little flower. So bright and one don't repeat this sentence. So only one letter bright. Asking for bright. 123 means bright little boy. So little boy, tall big boy. 637 means beautiful little flower. Are understanding? So little boy, bright little boy. Bright is one sentence. Another no, don't repeat bright. Okay, I understand. So 1 2 3. So 1 2 3 means bright little boy. 143 means tall big boy. So boy is equal to 1. Okay, I understand. Boy is equal to 1. Now 637 means beautiful little flower. 3 means little. Boy is equal to 1. Little is equal to 3. So again bright is equal to 2. So option B is equal to correct option. B is equal to the correct answer. 1 2 3 is bright little boy, 140 tall big boy, 637 beautiful little flower. So from 1 to 2 we get 1 means boy, and 2 1 and 3 we get little is equal to 3, and thus the in statement 2 means bright, that is equal to bright. Shall we go to next question? In a certain code rat is equal to 39 and chart is equal to 39. So this type of question compulsory think rat means, so R A plus T, total 3 letters adding, that is 39, plus thinking and calculate fast. So don't use mind calculation. R means PQRST. Okay, R means 18, S is equal to 19, T is equal to 20. Mind calculation. R is 18 plus 1 9, 19, 18 plus 1 19, plus T 20. So 19 plus 20. So 20 plus 19, that is 39. So that is equal to rat is equal to 39 is correct. That is equal to adding formula. Okay, same rule according to Twitter. T 20, TW 23, 20 23, I 9, T 20, E 5, R 18. This totally add. So that is equal to 115. So option D is equal to correct answer. Option D is equal to correct answer. Shall we go to the next question? So in a direction comprehension the following given answer question in that will compulsory this type of question will be asking. That is the type 4. This type 4 is equal to coding and decoding questions. So coding, decoding questions. Are understanding? coding and decoding questions. Easy come easy go to the V4 hash S4 at V4 hash T2 dash. Easy come easy go. Any repeat word, no repeat word. How will find out the knowledge is power? This type of question very important. This type of question very important. Okay, this type of question very important. So how to solution? First alphabet letter A is equal to A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I. Okay, I, J, K, L, M, N, O, P, Q, R, S, T, U, V, W, X, Y, Z. Okay, are understand? So reverse order, reverse alphabetical series is forward alphabetical series, reverse alphabetical series. That is equal to A, B, C, D, E, F. Okay, F, A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L, M, N, O, P, Q, R, S, T, U, V, W, X, Y, Z. Okay, this according to alphabetical reverse order, according to this question will be find out. This question will be find out. This question will be find out. So easy come first easy. First easy. E-A-S-I, easy. So easy. First count all counts letters 1, 2, 3, 4. So 4. Okay, 4. 4 easy means 4. Hash. Question will be given hash. So 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 letters, 4 count, 4 hash. E in reverse order. E in reverse order. A, B, C, D, E. That is equal to reverse order. That is equal to E reverse order V. That is equal to V4 hash. So E reverse order V. That is equal to V4 hash. So easy V4 hash. Same this rule according to the knowledge is power. So knowledge is power. So knowledge means 9 letters. So 9. K means A, B, C, D, G, H, K. K means P. Are understanding? K means P. So P9 at symbol. P9 at symbol. P9 at symbol. Are understanding? P9 at knowledge is power. So is means 2 letters. So 2 letter. Knowledge is 2. I means R. R2 percentage. R2 percentage. Next power. Power means 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 letters. So K 5 colon. That is equal to P. Okay. At P9 at R2 percentage K5. That is equal to so logically option 3 is equal to correct answer. Option 3, that is equal to 3. 3 is equal to correct answer. P9 at R2 percent K5 colon or dash arrow mark. This is the very this type of question will be given SSC constable. This model will be thoroughly practiced. Okay, all the best. Okay, all the best.